Hello guys, this is not Ivan Cavey.
Let's begin with the most fundamental question and answer. Who can use DubDub?
Who can use DubDub?
Well, this tool is perfect for anyone who needs voiceovers, transcripts, translations, or even video editing. Simply put, DubDub at its core is an AI tool designed to help you create faceless content on YouTube or craft impressive marketing materials, all without hiring a voiceover actor. And this part is important. Maybe you need a presentation or a pitch. Create it and share it with your colleagues. DubDub is a versatile creator tool that not only helps you produce content, but also translates it into multiple languages if needed. For instance, if you've created a YouTube video and want to include multiple voice tracks, DubDub lets you dub your content and add voiceover tracks in various languages. Or perhaps you are creating a business presentation for your company. This tool ensures anyone from any branch can view the presentation in their preferred language. With over 70 languages and accents available, the possibilities are extensive. And not only that, the DubDub platform comes with tools that allow you to create custom AI avatars, translate videos into other languages, and even edit videos. Anyway, this video is all about DubDub. Let's dive into the platform. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Without further ado, let's get
Rolling.
Alright, let's begin with the text-to-speech feature. Let me show you how we can turn a piece of random text into a speech. I'm going to click on AI voiceover, new voiceover. Here in this section, I can choose to copy and paste my own script / text, or I can ask AI to generate something for me. Let's give it a shot. Let's see how this feature works. I see a few presets. Let's choose YouTube video script.
Write a YouTube video script about the importance of text-to-voice AI tools.
We have this AI generated text, and now I will pick an actual voice and artificially intelligent voice actor.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl.
Most customer support solutions are too expensive for new startups.
Once upon a time in a small village.
Do you want to build a snowman?
Finally.
A worthy opponent! Our battle will be legendary!
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl.
Is mayonnaise an instrument? Or what? Never mind.
How about the SpongeBob?
I'm ready. I'll give you the Krabby Patty secret formula.
There's a cool feature here called multi-emotive. On DubDub, you can even adjust emotions for certain voices. For example, I can make some of these avatars speak in a sad, angry, or fearful way. For this video, I will use the SpongeBob voice simply because I think it's kind of fun. By the way, look at the number of languages supported with this character. 32 different languages. Let's listen to this Arabic demo.
أنا مستعد. سأعطيك وصفة كرابي باتي السرية.
Anyway, let's select this. There are two different sliders. Here you can adjust the speed.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today,
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today,
I'll stick to the default settings. I want to try adding a sound effect. If you take a look at this panel, you can see a bunch of different options. You can add a music track or you can add a sound effect. I'm going to place the cursor here, right here, where I want the effect added. Now I'm going to click on sound effect. I added my sound effect to this part of the text. I'm going to click on export. Let's use MP3. All right, so this will cost me 15 credits. I'll talk a little bit more about pricing at the end of this video. I can see the number of characters. I have one sound effect, edit, generate, and export.
hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's transforming the way we interact with technology, text-to-voice AI tools.
That's
Whether
the
you're a
sound
content
effect.
creator, a student, or simply someone who loves technology, you'll want to stick around for this one.
This track is well crafted. It's hard to believe that the voice is 100% AI generated. The quality is incredible. We have a couple of other cool tools to look at. Let's click on AI transcription. It looks like all we have to do is click on new transcription and copy and paste the link to the video we want transcribed. I'm going to pick one of my short videos. All right, I am going to pick English and hit transcribe. Transcribing the video. All right, look at this, guys. The video was transcribed. The transcription feature is perfect for anyone who wants to extract text from existing audio files and later convert that text into an AI generated voice track. Now let me click on convert text to speech.
If you only do what you can do, you will never be.
Finally.
A worthy of
This time around, I'll try to use these filters. I'll pick British, English, gender, female, age, youth, quality, premium.
Today is the day to remind yourself that you possess the power and strength you need to bring
This is a pretty
contentment.
good one. Let's export the track. All right, so this was the original track. Let's listen to it. AI will be dominating. When we look at animals, we experience ambivalent feelings. All right, now let's listen to the AI version of this text.
AI will be dominating. When we look at animals, we experience ambivalent feelings.
There are plenty of good reasons to use the transcription feature. Now, my favorite feature, let's test it. I already tried to mess around with my own picture and I tried to turn my image into a speaking avatar, and it was a hilarious experience. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to do it all over again. I'll show you how much fun it is. I'm going to click on new avatar. I'm going to upload my own photo. If your photo is not square shaped, you will have to crop it. Let's click on crop. Okay, confirm. There are a couple of additional things we can do. We can check this box and add subtitles, and we can also use this image enhancer tool. I think my image is pretty decent. Let's see what it's going to look like if I enable the image enhancer. I think my skin is a bit smoother on this one. Let's pick the enhanced version. Let's do it. Oh yeah, I have to pick a voiceover. Let's pick somebody who sounds like me. Let's pick Anthony, who will be my voice temporarily. Now I have to type in my text. Hello.
This is not Ivan KV, but still, look at my face. I look like Ivan. 100% AI. See you later.
Hello, guys. This is not Ivan KV.
All right, let me do it again.
Hello, guys. This is not Ivan KV. But still, look at my face. I look exactly like Ivan.
Although I am 100% AI generated. See you later.
It looks kind of hilarious, but it works in certain cases. It's always emotionally difficult to stay neutral when I see my own face speaking independently from me. Anyway, I used my avatar, but you can also pick a gesture avatar. These are more advanced avatars, I believe. Let's click on one of them.
Enhance your communication and engagement with personalized avatar.
So you see these ones have white backgrounds, so you can add them to any kind of environment. There's a pretty decent selection of characters to choose from. Let's skip ahead and review video translation. So video translation is self-explanatory and a total game changer. It's a step up for YouTubers who want to include multiple soundtracks in a single video. YouTube is starting to roll out this feature, so it's time to prepare. Let's see if I can translate one of my older videos into Russian, for example. All I have to do is click on new translation. As you may have noticed, I already tried to play around with this tool. Now I'm going to show you how to do it. So I'm going to click on new translation. Here I'll paste a video link. Super easy. Original language English, translate to, how about Polish? Let's translate it to Polish. I can speak a little bit of Polish, so I should be able to evaluate the quality of the translated track. So we could hypothetically enable preserve BGM. Let's try to do that. Let's try to also enable lip synchronization. And that's it. Let's click on translate video and see what the translated version is going to look like. Let's click on translate video. Boom, confirm. All right, let's take a look. I'm going to click on preview.
Jeśli możesz zlecić AI dowolne zadanie, dostarczyć mu wszelkie dane i dać dostęp do internetu. Wszystko, czego potrzebujesz, to jeden ludzki psychopata, aby rozpocząć efekt domina.
Wow. I mean, you can see that this is not the original voice, lip syncing is not 100% perfect, but the quality is still very, very, very good. The translation seems well executed too. Let's take a look at video editing. DubDub comes with its own simple video editing tool. Let me show you what it looks like. New video. So you can upload a video. So here you can find a library of effects and the transitions, pretty much everything you need to fulfill your basic editing needs, I would put it that way. Now, the most interesting part, pricing. Let's take a look at the pricing. For creators who want to drive traffic from different regions, this is a pretty affordable price. Think about it. No need to hire voice-over actors. No need to do much work to implement dubbed tracks into videos. And you can try this tool for free. There is a 3-day free trial with 10 free credits. See for yourself. So what do you think about this platform? DubDub, in my opinion, is a great platform, a must-have set of tools for creators who want to target a global audience instead of focusing on a particular region. It's essential to exploit platforms like this if you have engaging content that needs translation into other languages. Also for business presentations and marketing materials that need to be distributed across different countries, it's also incredibly useful. DubDub is also incredibly useful for these kind of purposes. I'm genuinely impressed by DubDub and recommend taking the free trial to test the platform. Take the free trial and who knows, you might find it useful. I have included the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, give me a shout out in the comment section. I'll talk to you soon.
Ivan KV out.